Hi, I'm Ewan Fletcher.
And I'm Glenn Sharp, and welcome to the September edition of the Sharp Accounting News.
In Victoria, there's a number of grants available in relation to COVID-19. These grants may apply to landlords, business owners, and also individuals that have been impacted through COVID. So have a look at the links below and see if these apply to you.
A bit of a hot topic at the minute seems to be thriving over surviving. At Sharp Accounting, we've been pushing this message for the last 3 or 4 years. What this means is the mindset that you have will really determine how your business goes, especially when put under an enormous amount of pressure like it currently is. Thriving means that you will look for opportunities and grow your business, whereas if you're just looking to survive, then quite often that will be the death of businesses or means you'll go backwards very quickly.
In these times where you may have had to lay off a number of your team members, due to COVID-19 restrictions or lockdowns, it's really important that you stay in touch with those team members, that they stay engaged and feel like they're part of your business, so that once the lockdown and restrictions eased, you're still close enough to those team members that they'll come back on board, start working for you again, and you'll actually have enough people to deliver your product or service that you need.
Recently, with some of our business advisory clients, we've been working on ways to increase their margins even though we're operating through a pandemic. To a large degree, the growth in turnover has been limited or capped because of the COVID-19 impact. So the one thing that you can control is monitoring your cost of goods and looking at making better purchasing decisions. One particular client, we managed to save them around 5% on their cost of goods across the board, which ended up being somewhere in the vicinity of $50,000 or $60,000 of savings that they made just by looking at all their costs, looking at managing their waste, and then increasing their margin without them having to go out and find any new business.
Now's a great time for you to look at how you operate your business and conduct what we call a business health check. This is where we look at what expenses your business is incurring and the way it's being operated. We make changes which helps your business thrive into the future.
During the pandemic and during the last couple of lockdowns, something that's really been reinforced is that in order to get through, you really need to embrace the challenge and embrace the negatives. And what I mean by that is when put under such enormous stress, it really forces you to look at ways of improving your business, ways of running your business leaner, ways of looking for opportunities to push into different markets. For instance, if you've never sold online, a couple of our clients went from having no online presence to now having more online presence than what they do in their traditional storefront. So embrace the challenge, look for opportunities, and you might come out of the pandemic with a much stronger business if you really embrace the change.